To set the universal belt type snap, it requires the anvil and two drivers that come with the kit. You'll notice one is a male and one is a female. So what we'll do now is we'll take the cap and put it in the proper size cavity in the anvil. We'll take the receiver and push it through the proper size hole. We'll set it in place, and with the proper driver we'll sit it on there and we'll tap it. And this takes care of the female part. The male part is pretty much the same way. We'll push it through the hole as you see me doing here, push the post through, turn it over, and we'll sit the little stud on there, and here again we'll get in the proper size cavity, take the female one of the drivers and put it on there and just hit it. And that takes care of the male portion. Now it's just a matter of snapping it.